Today was another bad day in the stock market. Some people can see this as one of the horrible day, or some people also see this as an opportunity to buy shares of stocks or ETFs that they've been looking for. So in today's video, I'm going to give you an update and review of some of the income ETFs that have crashed massively. And also we're going to look at the market in general and 3 reasons why these ETFs and stocks have crashed today. So the first thing we're going to look here is ULTY. As you can see, ULTY today went down 13 cents or 3.23%. It stands at $3.89. It has gone below $4 it was yesterday. And if the market keeps going the way it goes, this might fall all the way to $2 by the time they do reverse split, which is going to be 1 to 10. Let's say, for example, is at $2, then a share price will be at 20 and will keep falling after that.